G'day and welcome back. Now we've got a beautiful little entree for you guys today, but not only can you do this for an entree, you can also stack it up over your steak for that surf and turf. These only take a couple of minutes over the coals, so let's get stuck into this marinade for these beautiful garlic prawns. Alright, for the marinade we'll get a bowl, do a handful of flat leaf parsley and about 5 cloves of crushed garlic, about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. We'll go some chili flakes, do as much as you like. Generous amount of salt and pepper. Do the zest of half a lemon. And we'll do the juice of the whole lemon. Give this a mix. Alright, we'll dump out beautiful deveined and peeled prawns. I did leave the tails on just for that little bit of crunch. Put them straight in. And we'll get them in a Ziploc bag. Alright, we're going to leave this in the fridge for about 40 minutes, and every 20 minutes or so we'll just give them a bit of a massage just to move it around and get that evenly coated. Alright, we'll see you in 40. Alright, because we're cooking directly over our coals, I'm not overly fussed about what temperature we heat. As long as we're around that 200 degrees Celsius mark, I'm pretty happy. So I've loaded up our charcoal basket. We'll light our fire lighters. Get our charcoal basket over the top. Alright, 20 minutes later and a couple more fire lighters and we are cranking. So we'll get this one side of our Weber. Even them out. Get our cooking grate on. We'll give that 10 minutes to preheat. Alright, prawns are done. We're waiting for our bloody barbecue to come to temp so we can get our skewers ready. These bamboo skewers I have been soaking for the last half an hour just so they don't catch on fire. And all we're going to do is go in the top and through the tail. Like so. You can curl them up as much as you like or you open them up. It is really up to you. I like a nice little C. We'll go 2 per stick. Bang. Bang, move this up a little bit. Yep. Our beautiful zesty garlic prawns. Just as well, when you throw them on, try and match them up to the same size so they cook more evenly. You don't want one really small and one really big one on the same stick. Yeah, that's a bit better. Alright, we'll check on the barbie. Alright. Now these will literally take bugger all, so as soon as you get them on, close the lid, flip them after about 2 minutes, and then close the lid again. And by the time you grab your beer, you'll probably be just about ready. Is that? Give them a flip. They're up. Alright, how do you know these are ready? Is obviously the change in colour and the prawn itself will go quite firm. So that's actually not quite there yet. Alright, there we have our beautiful little Chargrilled prawns. These are f***ing unbelievable. Can't wait any longer. Just look at that. Cheers. Yum. Oh. Well, we're going to tuck it in these and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, tail. No. Hang on a minute. It's all wrong. What have I done? Ah. Oh. oil all over my hands. Holy shit, look at them all on that one. Pick your seeds out. Oh my god. I need a fork or something. Yeah, that'll do. Yum. Oh my god, yeah. And all we're gonna do is probably be just about ready. Okay. Grab a